Asante and OD anim ama yafro akọ odoma hinwa nanim sabre won se fia dadie sanye movies a na ye music and as a personality bi a ye pese uhunu ni yie and as bi kura wonim na se wura fia na ya kaka opa se bi fufura bakrom aye friend victory na ye pese ene ne twetwe ho nkomo na ye se nwura na brabo mu kakra enne otina paken oche sura bofo Mavis Asante good morning anope ho aye fe yie pa wa wi awani hwe ho TV no so Mami na what to say
share idea ho me mo pa
ya da nyame ase you've come a very long way first time I many ball so no na obi music video na wo na me hwe wasa wo sane sane na ye minti ase o that was the first time I meet many trials so na ma say won come from mentor and all of that say mami fa question abrabo to say
edika me das na me share max ahefo nyina na pay me damas say ma welcome to my studios abrabo nyame adom abrabo bia obo bia odi nyame eka ho bia nyame so crown kakra nti nyame adom obusa kitaye akra ya bedum pempenswe
sa
mpachewa
say no I say uko down kakra de uko wo uko aware enti ana say na wo enti ado ya na ma no o de hukosi a either so siesie ni ho aba na so wo wo aba na say boy mu what is going on with you enya bi wo mu kan nyina o ya say dance here kan nyina
no mpachewa say de okai de nukre time minti ase kwade na menya commento
sawo
after minti ase ba 207 I think 2207 it's 208 209 na me call mentor pachawa iti me free mentor na me de me first album by na said they all can aware be mu na me call miensa
iti uko ye de
hey it's free album miensa
pachawa
wow yenya mema ni yenya ma na say
mema tu oba one
onyame aye bi
nyame ne ye di ni
sa to aso e pese
ehunu break said they all can enyum ejimre abatan ye ejimre enti ankasa metina ase ka say me de ba ko beto mum na maye ba ko kakra enti say nyame ye madom na omo fefe no mudum pempenso bia na say adoma chede no ho na passion no ho na nyame nso adom ho ne de anytime bia we can still come back
enti ba che fe tre no nko bi mu yana yeah nko bi
right now we about mentor personally me share your time was with C-Dems, right?
The main time after C
Vic you had Vic in and a Vic mobile
time
Kese oh okay right and na me who this figure pan so na me tie her pan na ma ka say na makokwe was checking you out yes but suddenly you took a big turn it was a surprise to a lot of us because na ye who say so mami because the performance now we are on stage so no what happened that's what happened it's not so wise of when you but yeah, did you get that were people surprised
yes a lot of people when you own because now even one mentor na almost suggesting me say me pie ba me high life and so said they all cannot be brain him say me ba me high but what they didn't know is even when I was going to the house no na me kun ye consider that
oh when she our mentor one spot too one time we share some jumpsuit na the jumpsuit white I remember you so share some jumpsuit twice
yes
oh so you were cutting your husband then
when a me call for mentor in fact me call for mentor 3 audition Ninya na I was with him family and a mentor 4 by mommy esa quite during that time ninya na me nim say and growing up no obi a no obehu mi bia ka che me say me ware sofo so it's more like me so na shemitim and na sofo nso peme me kan isa
asofo peme and kwase ya no akoda asofo mo shape
and you had it you still have it
na asofo aware to say me ha kakra let e be ba nyom no so
na na have the
ya wa ba dia no wa ba asofo Adom.
Yes, as of our adom. It's a calling. Say nyame amfrewa. Enya ade a obetimi ai. Unsa ware na nka say ministry on its own. And also be ware software and also another ministry on its own.
What are some of the challenges out there? Because e be ana anopai obi hwe. For all you know, odowa do.
Yeah.
Epese wo ese wo.
Exactly.
Bi a nani so ade hunu so be ware software. Any yenkasa software ware challenges ben na wom. Say na be ye obeda ne ho so no remu a wo hunu say na obebo ne bra wo.
Okay. Challenges. A woman say, I was so unya abotre.
Abotre?
Yes, because.
Edi ho abotre.
Bibia ho abotre. Because ejuma no, ukunu afanyame ejuma say no na wo ye aso. One ma bebre ebe relate. Every day obe come in contact with so many people. De ne ho ofe, de oyeti de oyeti de ochen wo ba no kura hu na. Uti say me your ba but who say your ba but me who obe was oba we de ne ho efe obe hu no obeba nanim and obi a oba bia so adwen a odeba nti o se wunya sa abotre na o sere wade se o ma wo eho ahoden eyesa wontimi nti sa abotre ne o se onya abotre pa je se onya abotre se class 1 teacher
nkrafo se twi na wole ice meni say what asa akoma ye dey ice block
yes ejopa
akoma ejupa
utimi tolerate bibia because nye bibia be hu bia na be ye ofe obi okobe sheda se obetia wona aso
obe so wahwe
nti obe ne dey na yes of maame fo no so aso ne be pagya efiri ebe kofoma efiri so yes of maame now see the obe hu bia obe kai bi I tell people say we yes of maame e say yes okra hu ne ma na we bu ne chi obe te say kraman na bibia obe po wo when you better no upon sorry money mako. So you have to be extremely patient and always seek the face of God. Say rather mau e ho amodin ene e ho abotra obetimi e de aye of Freddie Jumana or their fraud. Because said that former na obwa. If sometimes you need your husband to be there but only ho. But obey anything. Also won say ejuma na e ho mbra no.
Yeah, what ya share challenges. As a baby obi abem. What are some of the opportunities? Because we are Reverend Mrs. Prophets, a wife, definitely there are certain opportunities.
Me yes, you can always scapa. I mean, do you know the husband? We won't mention the husband. Oh, scapa is on this card. Is on this card.
Because what are challenges? Yanka Konya will be so for be here. Because on one on to me. And the answer, baby, or what, sir? And it's what they who so be worry so for cry. What are some of the benefits?
Is that there they be a bonyo battle? Is it what challenge? Yeah, then to say metie. Now we were very beautiful woman, very glorious woman. When you in penny fears, not to also address as mommy, as young as I work on the background and me be but no frail mommy. Na edu Mother's Day how they will celebrate you. I feel I said on becha on yema. In fact, me wona me naming ceremony bia na me call do say mesa ubim. Because the naming ceremony on becha ma de no. It's a mama call do sa ti me first and second boss 7 months am sa anyem ne.
Hey! Romantic software. Romantic.
O sha chede na unyana. O sha chede na unyas Misa ko baby mama say nya ko. Mama say baby mga. It's fun.
Right. Now, do you think it's from where you started from and baby or baby where do baby are open in terms of the gospel fraternity? Do you feel say be ma be pound because time I name a new faces be by your body more than your body. So do you feel that way?
And yes, I say we ne di kan. And I say we na e toso. And na bibia wanemre. Inti se obi apa ho na nkyere se okojaw. Also de nyame dia hye onsam. Ye wo famudi. That is the most important thing. We yet dey a obi mre beso a. Wo mu kra, we yet dey your time will come. Ye mo dey to said you obi ba. Inti stages in life. Who ne sa so a emma weni mbre obi.
But don't you feel down sometimes?
Never.
You've never felt that?
No.
Hey.
Wow. Never.
Never. Abemubuo kan brabo ho. So any say mra ye wo mra yesu.
Yeah.
Any mra ye gi any and those things. Enti wo baba mu muda.
What say my bebu say obi koja me there and see that because me na ma relax say me mfa nyomomba enye say me di bia ba
sa wo so waduma ndoso na ntina uja ba ko to wakoye ba ko ahia because that you know e be from ma me no so hia ye pa na before we talk about your new album Victory no and you meet twegu prove me mu kakra Dabi, we will talk about the prumim where that about prumim.
Oh, Shannon, show me there. Obi to me no me oh, Shannon, Zabia. Yeah, when you go back, so be sure me one penny so sure me. Open it so sure me. I know sure me say oh, sure me. See a bear come on in your jawai. Oh, sure me, I'm a maybe a so. Hey, I'm a be a show how far. Come on in your door, sing on the shiramia, maybe a so money know that, and then me
Uni ade pa, ye bin come fa new one na we dey abeto we enkunim Victory. Enkuni ye ni come kakra. What informed that particular din and we dey ato we album nso?
A 2 Kings chapter 7 verse 1. Ebra odi for Elisha. E shem kom se na e koma bapa wa Samaria. Ena odi for Elisha shem kom se ochina sese na Awurade ama aduane abusu. Ochina sese na Awurade ama aduane abusu. Enti okay verse 18 na Bible say Awurade asem be wo se de nyame di for no e kan ye. Enti eye nwuma e hye wo nkran aka kire say de wo namu nem ye dan a wo kire nkonim die beba. It doesn't matter what you are going through. Koswa ye de wo ye nefa wa kwan hye nyame nsa na wo ye den. Se wa be mu ye de nkonim die. Wa be mu bua e na enema ntimi nyeyi. But se wan kasa if you keep on doing what you're doing na nkonim die no e beba.
Enti okay. Enti onim say Max TV ahwampamu jene. Enyuma mo ba betie video ya mo ba behwe ye morning station bi a wo Ghana.
There vida.
Ele ya papuntoma. Enti ele ya papuntoma. Enti yenko hwe video ni ye ba.
As a promotion in memoir. Adasidene so memoir. Me shall come say. And in the mirror no memoir. There were no memoir. A memoir. A memoir. Ah. Yeah, boy.
Baby.
Some mommy, some mommy and any gene. Some mommy are born life. Some mommy are women and son. And so that's who jinemu. So bad because what's in a packet moon or the buy. Some mommy any victory home come. And you mean?
Mpacho and you mean said they were kind after 80. My last song I'm by 2016. Until after 8 years. Afena Awurade ama yonkunimdie say na meka no according to 2 Kings chapter 7 verse 1 and Joshua chapter 10 verse 12 eho and asasem efiri nyame adom ye de ye victory the ye chi obia ne say whatever you are going through de wo komo bia nyame wo mu a enkunimdie ebeye ne ma edia.
Wow. Kudos, the video is beautiful. Nipa no style also, or yeah, especially the one you were in white. It's so beautiful. You look so pretty. But my only concern is the title of the song. I don't know, so what's here? Because Joy's Blessing also has victory. It's in the end contradictory with Nana. Because Joy's Blessing victory, was everywhere. Also, they never be victory. In case you ask somebody to go on Spotify or any of the musical apps, now I say victory. How are you going to market that since we have victory we want send it out?
Yeah, dear then say onu di Joy's Blessing into Joy's Blessing victory ne dear beba na obo Mavis is victory na nyame adom so Joy's then was I think somewhere last year and we victory say kwa we yom fofo and na me so me dey this year into Mavis Asante victory many never
right. But I'm thinking of the victory.
Oh yeah,
the song victory. So how are you going to promote the title victory? not the artist, but the title Victory. Because last year, Joyce Blessing Victory, we're not even mentioning Joyce Blessing. Victory. I don't know. So So how are you going to market Victory?
The thing is, Joyce Blessing Victory, look at the arrangement and everything, SI different from the media, and a victory so there will be a victory. Victory. So it doesn't matter or no victory. So far as I miss my victory will be a
right. Okay. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Now, if I need a
show me that Yameadum. Minokasaidia is on all the platforms, all digital platforms, via Spotify, Apple Music, baby, audio mark, baby, you be aqua, ubenyebi, and 8 years, your premiums on YouTube, it's a video, no, so that YouTube, because Mavis Asante, people show
no underscore nothing, Mavis Asante,
video, so I show on YouTube.
Okay. Ready, Mami Pulu, let's kaka. Upon all the stations, why did you choose Max TV so be premiere?
Max, they go for sure. Of course. Max, me man, I'm see a very big brothers.
Double. You don't realize the Ghana TV station.
We are on the disputed.
I shall say weekdays. One more share TV. This is the weekends. Me fee na meba. Me share that me the two station bi. Na me dey monitor. Meba no the Koto brothers. Omo Ashe brothers. Ntinya me ado Max. Omo yadi papa. Nipa ehwem nti. Baby a ye hwe nso na ye ko.
Esi no kura bro. Eno ofren koko. Na me bu bani.
Ni owe bro na won koko. Okay. Ya da say won so what the buy say Max any first one I will be send I wouldn't need the amaye no ye gidi say send yankofo di adanse obi ani hodi na dwaton die biara ba Max TV when nya result obi apart from see ye adwumade no station nankasa she kase bi ase nti anyu we be blow if I show December me ma special ye no be show wa ha ya obe san aba sabe no be ka je say e wo be fans fans afil and I feel ubaye wouldn't kunindie na eba great assemble na wo ka kire woni e dom Mavis aka say ya fi Mavis so ye bie phone lines ni see ka wa obeti waso assemble na wo ma fans
they make us shebu na say radin sham me da mwase someone supporting me all these years. I feel na mpamucho and na be na obebo na be na mpamucho maba. They may say ko stream mame. Ko YouTube na subscribe. O subscribe we so me notification bell no. Se be ya ye drop bibia obenye bi. Na wa share, na wa comment. Words of encouragement bi a obia no. Na wo de ato ho amame. O fem dia betimi dia ye e de aboa me anti me srew. Corner cost support me. Everybody share mu na omen kunimdi.
Who event be a eba?
Me pacho nyame ya aduma ye di victory abe. Ye rese ye be ye victory concert probably next year. Pacho eno na.
Na we ma launch dada.
Me pacho nya launch. Ene kra na ye pa wontoma. Ene afei na even kra 80 air premiere on YouTube.
It's
na mati.
Robi o wa asokwa me pe na sempa. Kumasi asokwa.
Okay. I don't know kumasi asokwa no.
Me say asokwa ai me koya asempa ka tre o. Asempa ka tre ai sa de ka no. Ai
na me na kai no ka wule.
Ai hule.
O ka de no ka wule.
Me somebody do what happen. No, bet me obebu me pa. Me pacho congratulations.
Thank you.
You are welcome back into the music industry.
Thank you.
Now, since na obekono. Yen say who achieve obi pe biomu and those things himfana e was ekonye bi.
Pacho oko Spotify. All the digital platforms, Apple Music, Deezer, Tidal, omunyina bebia nyame adom ye de ato e na akọ YouTube nso a me pache ho nso me ho pache betimi nso follow me on Instagram Mavis Asante official, Facebook Mavis Asante Supreme Lady, TikTok Mavis Asante bebia onyabo Mavis Asante dia me popiaba
ya bre na ye be na mani one question yes when you are saying sika saying from GHAMRO
Me be da mum.
Unya sika.
Em say me ankasa me ntu one na more da.
Untu
ba chawa.
Onya me that's one about it was a hit so we
Very. Any asida nyom kwa na.
Meto. Ayi no kwa na ba. Olade amayo mama sewa. Asido. Olade amayo mama sewa. Asida nyom kwa na
meso. When yakapre wa GHAMRO.
Minji bida.
Mbacho point wa na mpese wa udi ye ko break. Enti na fa ye ko break.
Yeku yansu yengu. Ehwiase ya sorry. Seradi amaye wa masemwa. Asido. Seradi amaye wa masemwa. Asidanyom kwani ebeto. Yadi yensedu nyina yebenyamia ye. Yadi yakume nyina yebedanasi. Enyana tumwanka yentiasi. Eyasido. Seradi amaye wa masembia. Asidanyom kwana yebeto.
Bacho ka chom say try one.
Ipa mo chew. Aha. Eni be try ye ho ni agye nkratwa ba.